You can basically make money with Invideo. Invideo is an amazing platform, and I've been using Invideo for a long time, all right, and it's super amazing, and I can't wait to actually share this with you because it's super valuable, and I know you can make a lot of money with this particular platform right here. I for one also have been making money with Invideo, okay, because it has been helping me with so many things and making life a lot more easier, especially when it comes to content creation, okay, because content is one of the things that drive the world. As you all know, content is king, and everybody gets to talk about content, how amazing content is and all those cool stuff basically. All right, so in this video we're going to be looking at how Invideo can actually make money for you in different ways, okay, and how you can also use Invideo to more of like build a brand, okay, content brand that literally makes money via advertising, selling products, affiliate products, and all those cool stuff basically. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing that awesome stuff with you. And if you've been following the current trend at this current moment, okay, about building automated YouTube channels and all those cool stuff, literally you can actually use Invideo to get on that particular trend and make a ton of money with it. Okay, so if you would like to actually sign up for Invideo, there's a link in the description of this video. Okay, click that link. All right, you'll be getting a 50% discount, or basically use my discount code, okay, during checkout. It's called Francis50. Use it at the end of your checkout, and you can actually use that to more of like make money with Invideo and get a super 50% discount, all right, to start creating amazing content with Invideo. As you can see, this is an amazing tool and I love it so much, okay, and I highly recommend it to anybody literally that I know. Okay, let's just hit refresh right here for Invideo. All right, so basically Invideo is awesome and I recommend you use it. Okay, so I've been using Invideo for a while, like I said right here, okay, and this is actually my dashboard. Okay, let me just log out so I can see the other features Invideo currently have. Okay, so Invideo is considered one of the largest, okay, and most diverse collection of about 4,000 plus bespoke templates, okay, that caters to almost every use, okay, 100% flexibility and modality basically, okay, and it's an inbuilt media library, okay, of millions, okay, of royalty free images and videos basically, okay, and you can use that awesome things right there. And this part right here, okay, is amazing, which is a support part for Invideo. Invideo actually offers support. You can see right here they have live chat for 24/7 and all those cool stuff basically, okay, and it's the world, okay, intelligent video assistant platform basically, okay, so it literally understands how to basically create content for you in a fast way and easy way possible and all those cool stuff basically, okay. You can more of like paste your text into it and it's more of like spitting out content for you, okay, that you can go in there and tweak things the way you want them to be. All right, so Invideo is awesome and I highly recommend you use it, okay, because it can help you make a ton of money. For those people who more of like don't have video editing software and all of that, you don't need any other expensive video editing software and all. If you have Invideo, okay, you can use them to edit your videos and it's all cloud based. You don't need to install anything and all those cool stuff. You can just basically plug and play and you're good to go. All right, so now in this particular video we're going to be looking at how you can actually make money with Invideo. I'm going to be showing you multiple ways you can actually do that, okay. And if you're new to the channel, you like content like this about making money online or building your online brand or business, okay, subscribe to the channel because I talk about how to build a business, how to make money online on this particular channel. This is my business YouTube channel and I recommend you subscribe to the channel with your notification bell turned on, that way you don't miss out on any new and amazing content that we're posting on this particular channel right here. Okay, so today is just tutorial day and we're going to be looking at how we can basically make money with this particular platform, okay, that is called Invideo right here. Straight to the point, no fluff, no nothing. We're going to be doing this head on and getting results, okay, by building a long and sustainable business that will give us money in the long term, more of like making things even passive for us and in our lifestyle basically, okay. So Invideo right here is awesome and I really appreciate this platform right here. I currently have the pro plan, okay, I have the premium plan right here. If you come here you can see this tag right here said premium, okay. So inside Invideo you can see they have multiple templates, okay. If you're logged in you can see they have bunch of templates. You can use Invideo for so many cool stuff, okay. If you want to grow TikTok accounts, okay, or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, you can create a portrait. You can come right here, select this aspect ratio for portrait, okay, and you can see more of the templates right here. You can create content for promos, ads, okay, listicles, slideshows, greetings, sales offer, explainer videos, and much more, okay. You can see a whole lot more right here, okay. It's more of like it doesn't end literally, okay. And I'm super excited with this because you're not like starting from scratch when you're using this platform. You're not starting from scratch. You're more of like have an idea or something to get started with basically, okay. If you just want to create simple content, you can just more of like go with the blank canvas and just build whatever you want, okay. And they have template for different verticals right here. You can see holiday, fashion, e-commerce, travel, technology, food, beverage, real estate, and much more. All right, so that's the interesting thing about this platform right here. It just makes life a lot more easier and gives you an edge to basically, you know, crush your competition by more of like moving faster. Okay, that's the beauty about Invideo right here. Okay, so let me just log back into my account. Okay, I think I have that saved right here. So we can basically just look at how it works. Okay, because I actually logged out, to remember just now. So another cool thing is, apart from the template part right here for Invideo, you can also use this part called text to video. All you just need to do is to paste a text right here, text script right here, and it's more of like spits out content for you. Okay, it's more of like edit the video based on its own understanding of the kind of content you want to create. Okay, so you can see when I click on that, all right, it actually showed me some templates right here if I would like to go with any particular template. Okay, so it's going to make my video, okay, in line with the template I'm going to be selecting. Okay, so I'm going to give you some illustrations right here. Okay, so I'll just look for a template. You can literally just put a text on. Okay, so I'll just scroll down a little bit to see if I can find any templates that we can basically use right here that will more of like speak volume to what I want. All right, so I'll just more of like select this one because I like simplicity. This one's something cool and really simple, either this or this. Let me see. All right, let's go with this one. I like this. So I'm going to be starting off with landscape. Okay, so mute this right here. Starting off with landscape. Okay, you can do square, you can do portraits. Okay, they all work and they are super amazing. Okay, you can see it's not that hard to do basically right here. Okay, so you can see different aspect ratios and all of that. Let's say you're building a YouTube automation channel, or more of like a faceless YouTube channel, all of that. You have your script written, your voiceover done, and all of that. You can basically come here, click on this landscape part. Okay, and you can add your script right here. Okay, so let me see if I can find any scripts on this computer. Let me go right here. Okay, let me get this script right here. Okay, because I was currently working on some content I want to create for promotion. Basically, I'm just going to try them out right here. So headlines is maybe improving improving your health. Basically, I'll just say something like this: improving your health. All right, so this is for adult content basically, but I just call it improving your health or your adult health. Okay, let me do adult health. Improve your adult health basically. Okay, so I'm just going to click next and it's going to auto generate right here for me. That's the interesting thing about this particular platform. Okay, they more of like create everything for you, and once this is ready, I can go right in. Okay, it's going to more of like create the entire content for me. Okay, make the video for me, so I can go right in and edit things, tweak things up the way I want them to be, and more of like, you know, get them ready. Okay, so that's what Invideo is exciting about. That's the great thing I currently like about this platform. Okay, and so now we're going to be looking at what Invideo has produced for us right here. Okay, you can see improving your adult health. Let me just play this right here. So it has background sound. Okay, but we're going to be taking that off in just a moment because we're going to be using the advanced editor. Okay, but let's just check it out. Okay, okay, that's the first slide. This is the next slide right here. Okay, that slide didn't actually depict the image right there, so it didn't put any image right here. Okay, so with this now, what we're going to be doing, because some of the images don't actually align, what we're going to be doing is coming over to the advanced editor right here, so we can more of like tweak things the way we want them, select the kind of stock footages, images that we want, you know, and align our text properly, and more of like create our content. Okay, which is not that hard to do. All right, so what you can just basically do is come right here. Let's say this one doesn't actually fit to what we want. Okay, we don't actually like the content, more of like what is in it and all of that, so we can just come to videos right here. Okay, since I'm using premium, all right, I have access to the iStock footages and all those cool stuff. So this one talks about precious and blah 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 for skin. All right, this is actually adult content basically. Okay, so we're we're just going to be leaving that. Okay, I don't want to search anything right here, so YouTube don't actually flag this content. So but you get the point basically. Okay, you can come right here, select, let's say this is the kind of content I want. Okay, I can just say sleeping. Okay, let me just say sleeping I want to actually use. Okay, I'll just search that right there, and then let me say this one, I like this content, I'll just select this. I'll click trim to fit scene, you know, then put that right there. You can see how it looks like. Okay, earlier on you saw the Shutterstock Shutterstock watermark, but it actually went off because this is a premium account basically, so it has access to all of that. Okay, so you can see right here I just replaced the image. Very easy. Okay, not that hard to do and all those cool stuff. So if you want to add your own voiceover, I can put that here. You can see right here you can do automated text to speech, okay, or you can import your own. Okay, you can import your own audio. All right. Also upload your voiceover, record voiceover. You can record your voiceover right here live, or you can just basically import. So that's the cool thing about Invideo right here. Okay, I don't want to take too much of your time, but you get the point. Okay, it's very easy and hands-on to get started with and all those cool stuff. So in terms of you making money with Invideo, you can more of like create YouTube faceless automated channels. Okay, you can come over to YouTube, okay, and more of like get ideas, inspiration, and all those cool stuff. More of like build a faceless channel in literally any niche or any categories out there. All right, there's so many categories out there on the internet in entertainment or sports, you know, and all those cool stuff that you can basically do. Christianity, maybe religion, maybe Islam, Christianity, you know, motivation, and all those cool stuff. So you can literally just create in any vertical or niche that you actually want, or more of like just create a faceless channel and use Invideo as your editing software to more of like help you create that. Okay, so if you're going with the Invideo plans right here, okay, this unlimited plan will actually get you a whole lot. Okay, I highly recommend you go with this because you have access to unlimited HD footages and all those cool stuff. Okay, premium media. Okay, and you can export unlimited basically. That's what this one is talking about, and you have access to premium media and a whole lot. Okay, and when you're using the link in the description of this video, okay, you get 50% discount for anything you are currently paying for on Invideo, whether this plan or the business plan, either the unlimited or business plan, you get 50% off. So you can create a YouTube channel, okay, and monetize the channel, monetize it with multiple ways. Also more of like using you can monetize also using brand deals, you know, selling your own product, okay, promoting affiliate product and all those cool stuff. Okay, there are so many ways to monetize a YouTube channel right here. Okay, I need to watch the video in the description of this video. I'm going to link to my previous video where I talk about how you can basically monetize your YouTube channels. Okay, the different ways you can actually do that to make more money on YouTube basically. Okay, and if you don't want to actually build a YouTube channel on your own, okay, you can grow an Instagram page, an Instagram account, or you can come over to TikTok also and grow a TikTok account, or go to fiverr.com or more of like Upwork to offer your services as a video editor basically. Okay, and you can basically just use Invideo, and less than few minutes you can get video edited or more of like do videos for people and all of that. Okay, so using Invideo and Fiverr, okay, you can, that's if you want to do freelancing. Okay, you want to come and offer your services for money and all those stuff. Okay, you can use Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com or any other freelance platform out there, or more of like DM people to help them edit their videos. Okay, you can literally just do that, okay, by just reaching out to people, okay, via DMs, so that you know that they actually create content to help them do their video editing and all those cool stuff. And Invideo is a place, okay, that will help you do all of that very easily. Okay, and if you don't even have any money, they have a free plan right here. Okay, but I recommend you actually go with the business plan. But if you can also start with free, okay, to literally get started with your own account, okay, if you, by clicking the link in the description of this video to help you get started basically and making money with Invideo. All right, but if you can go with the business plan or unlimited plan when you start making money, okay, that will be awesome because you have more options and all of that to more of like build an actual business by helping people provide video editing services and all those cool stuff. Or you can more of like later on come to build an Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube channel basically to help you make money, okay, to monetize using other method as well. So you can promote your own product and services, or more of like promote affiliate product also. Okay, and also if you're using YouTube, building a cash cow channel, you can more of like monetize using the YouTube Partners program also. All right, that way you're making money. Okay, so that is what I actually recommend. Okay, if you want to take the route of doing this, okay, Invideo is a great platform, and it's going to help you a whole lot and make your life a whole lot easier, okay, and helping you make money just by creating awesome video content and all those cool stuff. Okay, so I highly recommend you take advantage of this opportunity that is right in front of you right now. Okay, as Invideo is more of like offering such huge discount, okay, when you are using the promo code Francis50, okay, or more of like using the link in the description of this video, all right, you can use that to get huge discount, and you can make back this money in no time, basically. Okay, so if you're going for a 1-year plan, okay, this is the cost. If you switch it to monthly, okay, it's a little bit higher, but when you're using the link in the description of this video, okay, everything is 50% off, so you can use that to actually make money on YouTube. Okay, YouTube is a whole there's a whole lot on YouTube. Okay, outside just using YouTube, also you can also carry that content, okay, more of like building a channel on rumble.com. okay, so that's what a lot of people are currently doing right now. Okay, more of like the content they are building on YouTube, they can also bring it right here on rumble.com and, you know, post the content right here, get access to new audiences, and even make money. Okay, make money on Rumble right here, and it's huge. All right, so the opportunity in terms of creating content is huge right now. So if you are creating content, you can make a ton of money because you'll be building an audience, and audience can be monetized because attention is the new currency. So I highly recommend you take advantage of Invideo right now, and when you do so, okay, I'll be seeing you at the top. All right, and in the future, more of like, let me know that you actually used Invideo and this video helped you one way or the other. And actually, if this video actually helped you, give this video a like. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also comment below. Okay, if you're going to be using Invideo, okay, let me know that in the comment section of this video. Until next time, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.